Hey guys, welcome back. We drove 7 hours west out near Pittsburgh to go to a little town called Brownsville, the National Pike Steam Show. We got a lot to show you today, tons of construction equipment. It's gonna be a trip. You're gonna love it. Come on, let's go. When I was 4 years old, I had a book called Mike Mulligan and the Steam Shovel. I loved this book, and it was my first introduction into earth-moving equipment. Most of these steam shovels were scrapped in the 50s and 60s, and the book even talks about that. I never thought I would ever get to see a real-life version of Marianne the steam shovel. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Miss Amy Kathleen, the 1913 Few Automatic Shovel Company's Lorraine Steam Shovel. This unit was found in Ontario, Canada in bad shape, but the owners pulled her out of the woods and restored her. She has a new boiler, a new house structure, and the restoration took just over a year. Boy, does she look great. This morning we visit her as she has just gotten her steam pressure up. First thing they do is they check the swing gear, the boom, the dipper. Then they do some dumping of the ashes out of the belly pan. Then they will eventually try to walk her into position so she can do some digging on the hill. The whole process takes a while compared to today's modern machines. But back in her day, this machine was revolutionary and could do the digging of 100 men. Watching it at work today makes you really appreciate how far we have come. That's how you steer it, huh? That's wild. If you are enjoying the video, please do me a favor and hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it really helps me out. Now let's all enjoy Miss Amy Kathleen as we watch the fellas get her into position so she can do some digging.
If you're enjoying this content, check back to my channel. We got a lot more from Brownsville. We're going to break this up into several part series. We got loaders, scrapers, cranes, shovels, even mining equipment. Everything you can imagine from vintage era construction and antique equipment, and it's all working and it's all running. So check back for more from this series. We got several parts to show you. Thanks for watching.